So again, we'll be starting with the ribbon cutting ceremony, and right after, we'll proceed at the second floor of our Liga Hall to proceed with our program. Alright, so our ribbon cutting ceremony, let us all witness as our Congresswoman-elect and our Municipal Mayor together with our guests and dignitaries for the official ribbon cutting ceremony. In 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, Municipality of Estancia, for your new and functional Liga Hall as we are having this turnover ceremony this afternoon. So napugid do ang atong pagpasalamat sa ginahatagid na kaaluan kag pagpalangga pinaagi sa office of the Congresswoman Ma'am Binky Montescaros Tupas sa atong ginalakpakan together with our former Congressman Raul Buboy Tupas in partnership with the DPWH and the entire local government unit of Estancia. At this juncture, we'll proceed to the second floor to proceed with our program.
Kinang-kinang pa, no? Hindi basta-basta. Ayan po.